everyone, this is Payal Sehgal. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you all how you all can make a perfect hair loss and hair growth serum which is very effective and very easy to make at home. This is the most common question asked by a lot of people to me, that what to do about hair loss. I was actually doing a survey and I was asking people and I was getting requests on my Instagram and YouTube to do a hair loss video. So I researched on this topic. It has been a while and I was trying to find the perfect ingredients that can actually, help for hair growth and give amazing results for hair loss as well. So finally I found these key ingredients which you can actually combine together to make a perfect serum at home, and it's really effective. So let me show you all how you can make this serum at home by using these perfect and easily available ingredients at home. Have a look. These are all the ingredients that you need to make this perfect serum. First step is you take 2 onions and put it in a grinder to make a fine paste of onion. Next you need is aloe vera gel. I'm using organic aloe vera gel. You all can also use organic aloe vera gel or any aloe vera gel that is available. Try to avoid the colored aloe vera gel. It's better to use the transparent one. Next you need is flaxseed gel. To make flaxseed gel, you need to put 3 tablespoons of flaxseed in a boiler. Boil it for some time till it converts into a gel. I have used flaxseed powder as at that particular time I didn't have flax seeds. So I have used the powder and the gel looks like this. Next you need a cloth to strain the gel. You will have to squeeze the cloth very tightly and the gel will come out of the cloth. The last thing that you need is virgin coconut oil. These are all the ingredients: onion juice, flaxseed gel, aloe vera gel and virgin coconut oil. And now we're going to add the right proportion of each item and make a serum out of these things. Let's get started. When I was squeezing onion juice, it was smelling really bad. With these other ingredients, it really helped a bit because the smell wasn't too strong, and this serum doesn't smell like onion only. It smells a little better and it is more effective than just onion juice. So this is this amazing hair loss and hair gain serum that I made, and I showed you in the tutorial how I made this, and I've put it in this bottle where I can easily squeeze it out. So if you have an empty bottle like this of shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, whatever, you can actually empty that bottle and put the serum inside it. It will be very easy and convenient for you all to squeeze it out and apply it on your scalp. So let's get started, and I'll show you how you all can apply it on your head. Wait, and I'm going to show you the result.